Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour today. Haven't done one of those in quite a while. And I'm using my favorite paints for Dutch pour, which is the Liquitex Basics Fluid paints. Now, they're not ready to pour paints. You do have to mix them with a medium. And I find 2 parts Floetrol to 1/2 part paint gives you really nice results. So let me start with the colors. For the top will be raw umber, raw sienna, phthalo green, gold, and white. My base coat is white and phthalo green, and I squirted in some of this iridescent white too to give it a little pearlized look, but probably not enough to really have much of an effect. But anyway, very, very light phthalo green. And the only thing I did different, American Floetrol for all of this, except the white, I decided I would mix it with Australian Floetrol, so make it some pretty lacing as I blow that part out. So we shall see. I'm going to pause here and put down the base coat, and then I'll be right back. Okay, got my base coat down. I like to do that off camera just in case I haven't mixed enough. I don't want to have a problem. And I usually scrape up the drippings so I can do any repairs, but I didn't bother this time. So we'll hope I have a good go the first time through. When I look through the camera, it looks very blue, like turquoise blue, but it's actually quite a nice light phthalo green. Anyway, let's see. I think I'll go. I don't know. I haven't done a Dutch pour in a long time. Let's see. Maybe I won't go to the edge. I usually do, but I'm not going to this time. And I'll run it off that away. I wish I could think of a way to embellish Dutch pours. I just haven't come up with something that an idea that I really like yet. So if you have any suggestions, feel free. I have so much paint left over. Always mix too much for the colors here. You don't really need that much of these. Gold. And now the white. Again, this one is mixed with Australian Floetrol. Same ratios as the others, just Australian. Okay. So let's see what happens. Well, I'm not sure. I mean, I like it. I do like it. I like the effect. Colors are interesting. Not crazy about the composition, though. What shall I do? Do I want to run some lines? I don't think so. I just don't know that I don't feel it's done. Maybe I need more white down here so I have a continuous thing. Let's try that. Maybe over here a little more. I better stop. I never like to blow over an area twice. I just rarely like the way that looks. It's okay, but it starts to get too blended when you add. It's always dangerous, although this worked out okay. I think I like the Australian Floetrol addition there. I don't know. Let me bring you in and you tell me what you think. That's the newest part. That's pretty exciting right there. I like that. And this is kind of questionable area. I don't know. It's not too bad. I just feel like I'd like to do something else to it. I don't know that just running a palette knife through it is going to do it for me. I think just a few, maybe a couple of curly cues here and there. That might have to do it. I'll let it dry and hope to figure out something to do with it, although maybe I'm done. I don't know. Oh my goodness, I'm completely undecided. Let me know what you think, my friends. Thank you for watching. Bye now.